Room tour, look. Nag-room tour ka na ba? Ito. Say hi, look.
Hi! 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 Hi!
Say subscribe.
Subscribe!
Say hi.
Hi!
Seda.
Hi! See!
Yes. Oh, let's go. Sa ano tayo? Sa elevator. Yes. Gonna go. Go. Click the up. Click the up. Yes. Go. Find the 401. 401. Ito, here. Ito.
401.
Ano?
I will tap.
No, just tap. O yan, go open. Then room tour. Push. Go. Oh, go.
Where's Nanay?
You're gonna wait for Nanay. Whoa, it's a room. Look, it's a bed.
And the TV. Look
TV.
at that.
Oh, and sofa.
Oh. And a lamp. Look at that lamp.
Lamp. Okay. How about open the window? Try to open the window.
Okay, I will the bag.
How about? Oh, okay na. See? Look, open. Wow, sobrang lapit na swimming pool kasi 4th floor lang.
Look. What's that?
Oh, want to swim in the swimming pool? Ah, look.
Look at it going.
Want to swim?
Wait a.
So, let's check the bathroom.
Okay.
Oh, what do you see?
I see the toilet, sink, and the shower is here, and the shampoo.
Shampoo. How about conditioner? Tsaka yung soap.
It's not.
No, it's there. Tatlo lagi ito, look, oh. It's 3. Shampoo, conditioner, and soap.
Soap. I just. Hey! What is that?
Bathrobe.
What is that?
Bathrobe.
I love it. Eat the what?
So, swerte namin nasa 4th floor kami. Sobrang lapit nung sa swimming pool, which is 3rd floor. You know, in the bar. Seda, Vertis North. So, katulad ng ibang Seda, may misto na restaurant, pati yung straight up na bar sa taas. So, pare-parehas. Diba, Luke?
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Let's go. Wait, the quest.
Are you okay? You left Cody?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, hindi makapag-playground si Luke ngayon dahil ulan. Careful ka, Luke, wet kasi. Hindi maglaro. It's basa. Ay, yung playground. So, 6 AM to 8 PM dapat siya.
Pero umuulan.
Kaya hindi pwede, Luke.
Ayun o. 6 to 8.
Ayun, umiyak na. Ganda nung ano dito, 4th floor. The city area. Swimming pool. Saka bar. Swimming time. Swimming. Nanay, swimming. Look. Dahil di pwede daw mag-ano. Playground. Swimming ka, Luke. Okay, excited to swimming?
Yeah.
Are you cold?
Over there. Over there.
Ano? Hindi mo malamig. Hindi mag-acclimatize ka rin dyan.
Palagi mo kaya ko niya.
May Irish friend si Luke ngayon. Irish tinuturuan siya mag-swimming. Ano masabi mo sa lamig ng ano?
Malamig. Enjoy.
Try ka muna, giniginaw ka na. Want to eat, Luke? Want to eat?
Yeah.
Are you starving? See, go.
Oh,
So cold. Go in front. Go. Go up, go. Go.
Gale?
Yes.
Is it boys or girls?
Wow, may ano.
It's a room.
Chill room. May ano parang lounge area dito. Oh, ganda ng CR nila dito. Oh, may locker area.
Where's the shower? Isabel.
Ito.
I found it.
A dressing room. Only dressing room. Ayun yung sauna, steam room.
Is it there? Shower.
Sauna yan. That's so hot too.
It's hot.
Yes. You want to dry there. If you want to dry, you go there. Okay? Look, hi butterflies. Say hi to the butterflies. Whoa, it's flapping, oh. So since ano kasi ngayon, Valentine's Day, wala kami maharap na lugar sa
labas.
Sa labas. Kaya dito kami sa pool bar. And eto, pag dito kayo kakain sa area na to, mayroong 1,500 per head consumable. So dito lang kami kumain. Kakain pala. Ito yung menu ng pool bar. Tabi ng playground sa kanila. I was calling. Look, say hi.
Hi.
Go. Ha? We need more kids daw. Kailangan naman maraming kids.
It's the love potion juice.
Small bite.
Yeah. Swallow. Okay, inside the mouth.
Let's like this one.
You want to slice this one? Breakfast sa stove. Look, uwi na. Say bye. Say that. Ano muna? Bye. Say, subscribe.